In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and navigate the accessibility features on your Windows device with a special focus on turning off the narrator function. This feature is incredibly useful for those who rely on screen reading technology, but for others, it might kick in unexpectedly and be more of a distraction than a help. Let's go through the process together, step by step, making sure that you feel confident in customizing this setting to better fit your needs. Let's start by accessing your Windows settings. To do this, simply click on the Start menu, located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Once opened, you'll see a gear-shaped icon that represents the Settings menu. Click this and it will open up your main Settings hub where you can adjust a variety of operating system preferences, from network settings to personalization options. Now, what we're looking for is the Accessibility menu. In the Settings window, you should see a list of icons and labels. Among these, there will be an option labeled Accessibility, often represented by an icon of a person surrounded by a circle. Clicking on this will take you to a new section dedicated to settings that help users adapt Windows to their specific needs, whether that be visual, auditory, or interaction-based. Once you're in the Accessibility section, the next step is to locate Narrator. Narrator is the built-in screen reader that provides auditory feedback, reading aloud text on the screen, and it can be very handy for users who have visual impairments. However, if you find that it's something you don't need operating regularly, it's best to know how to easily turn it off. In the Accessibility settings, look for the option labeled Narrator on the left-hand side menu. After clicking Narrator, you will see a toggle switch or checkbox that indicates whether the feature is currently turned on or off. If you want to disable it, simply toggle the switch or uncheck the box to turn the narrator off. This action will stop the narrator from providing auditory feedback each time you sign into Windows or use certain applications. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you're done. You've now learned how to efficiently navigate to the settings and turn off the narrator function if it's not something you regularly use. Keep in mind that you can always come back to these settings and turn the narrator back on if you ever find yourself needing it again in the future. By adjusting the narrator setting, you can ensure that your Windows experience is tailored exactly to your preferences. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you have any further questions or need assistance with more accessibility settings, feel free to reach out or check for more guides and tips in our next videos. Have a great day.